Here, greetings everyone. Today I would like to introduce a new job, and here is a job located in Osaka and for the factory. And this job is concentrated on the factory, and the work time is 8:30 to 5 p.m. and half. The salary part is about 118 Japanese yen every month, and for the Japanese abilities you need at least in 3 level. Also, last but not least, we have a job fair almost every day. Monday, Wednesday, Friday is 11. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday is 13. And more than 14 companies every day. If you want to find a job, just came here.